Alright traders, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. I'm Forest God, and if you know you're new here, please kindly click on the subscribe button. It's for free, you're not paying anything, and click on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I drop a video. Yes, in today's video I want to teach you guys top-down analysis, how to analyze the market from the higher time frame to the lower time frame before you get to entry. And I'm going to show you the reason why I am taking this trade on Gbpjpy. So let's get straight into this. If you are new here, please kindly click on the subscribe button. It's very important because it's going to help you and it's going to help me too. So straight into this today, you can see that this is Gbpjpy on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see what the market is doing. The market keeps giving us market give us high low, high low, high low, give us high low, another high which couldn't break this high and give us a lower low before price keeps moving up. So I'm going to make sure you understand all this thing before we leave here. So on the daily time frame, what you should know that this is the last break of structure to the upside. We have this last break of structure to the upside. This is the break of structure to the upside. That's the last break of structure to the upside before market give us this fake break of structure to the upside to market give us this fake break of structure to. I know a lot of you be asking why is this break of structure fake, and I will explain this to you. You know, before market breaks structure to the upside, anytime markets break structure to the upside like this, it has to leave a fake break of structure to the upside like this. That is going to be swept as liquidity before market gets into the original point of interest to continue the impulsive move to the upside. So that's why I'm saying this is a break of structure, because as you can see, as markets broke this structure to the upside here, market gave this break of structure before giving us this move. So you see that what did price do? Price came out to take that out. You see that price took it out as liquidity to fuel it to the upside and now back into the original point of interest. So after this break of structure to the upside here on the daily time frame, you can see that currently price is reacting off the order block that caused that movement to the upside. Price is reacting off that order block, so which means that we should be expecting market to move from here to where? To this upside, to break, to give us another higher high. So all what we need to be doing is to be looking for buying opportunities here to facilitate this buy to this liquidity level. We should be looking for buying opportunities to facilitate that buy to the what liquidity level. So we'll move straight into the 4-hour time frame. We'll move into the 4-hour time frame to see what the market is doing there. So now we are in the 4-hour time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame. You can see what market did is after market tapped into the order block from the daily time frame. This was the last break of structure to the downside. This was the last break of structure to the downside until market broke above that high that caused that break of structure to the downside and gave us a market structure shift. So now market has shift structure to the upside, which means that now the buyers are in. And what did the buyers do? After the buyers, you can see the buyers reacted off this order flow. This was the last order flow that happened before the impulsive move here to the upside. This was the last order flow that happened. So what did the buyers do? They came back and reacted off this order flow here, and they are now giving us, and they gave us this nice buy opportunity which I had I had this nice buy opportunity. I took this buy to this here and I made this trade out already. And now what is happening? So now let's look at what the market is currently presenting. You can see that market broke another structure to the upside here. Market broke structure to the upside here, which left this other block resting below here, which left this other block here. And now you can see the market is reacting to that other block. You can see that now market is reacting to that other block. Yes, this trade I took it so aggressively. I didn't wait for confirmation. I was expecting market to break this high here, then I will now confirm that market is in a what bullish move. But I set my buy limit here and immediately price got there, it triggered me into the market. So this was how I took this trade. So currently I am in this trade. I'm in this trade currently, but I am waiting for price to do what? Break this high. Then I'll look for an opportunity from this other block here. To continue my buy from my buy to the upside. So if you are here and you want to trade Gbpjpy, I think this is the trade setup I'm seeing. So you just wait for market to break this to the upside. You let market break this to the upside, then you take the continuation. So after price breaks this to the upside, you wait for a retest, then you take this. But you have to be careful because you can see that there's another block here that might push the price down. There's another block here that might push the price down because of this shift in market structure that's happened in the lower time frame after this break of structure to the upside. This is a break of structure to the upside, and now this was the low that caused this break of structure, and now market took it out. So market might react from this and start giving us another sales. So you need to be careful. When market gets here, you wait for the market's reaction. You wait and see what the market will do there before you take your trade to the upside. Always remember, trading is reactive and not predictive. You can't predict what is going to happen in the market. You always trade according to what the market is doing, what is giving you. So guys, this is my view on Gbpjpy. So let's see what the market is going to do. I'll be back here. Sorry, on Sunday I couldn't drop any video because I was a little bit busy. So let's wait and see what the market will do. Whatever thing the market does, I will come back here to let you guys know what's going to happen. Because after market breaks this, we have a nice other block there. You can see it with a fair value gap present there. Market might come here and move to this fair value gap and start retracing, or reach this fair value gap, this other block, retraced maybe a little bit and keep moving. So you need to be very careful and watch the market well. Trade very carefully, manage your risks very well. Thank you all. See you next time.